9. Waste management and pest control. Yes, you've guessed it. Waste management and pest control are your legal responsibility. You must control the waste because it presents a risk of physical and microbiological contamination to food, and it may attract pests. Pathogenic microbes simply love food that is damaged, out of date, or rotting. It provides them with perfect breeding conditions. But don't worry, there are 4 simple steps you can take to control waste. Ready? 1. Keep food and packaging waste separate from the actual food products or ingredients. Food waste must be stored in sealed containers. 2. Don't allow waste to accumulate in food handling areas. 3. Where pedal-operated bins are provided, avoid touching the lids. Wash your hands after disposing of waste and before handling any food products, ingredients, or clean packaging. 4. Keep waste containers closed, intact, and disinfect them regularly to avoid attracting pests and to contain harmful bacteria. Just make sure that waste bins are clearly distinguishable from other storage bins and that staff are trained on waste management. Next, let's talk about pest control. Pests are attracted to food areas because there they can find shelter, food, and warmth. And it's bad news. They can spread diseases as they carry harmful bacteria and viruses. They can also contaminate work surfaces, foodstuffs, and packaging. And they can damage property. If a consumer spots any sign of a pest in their food product, like mouse droppings or dead ants, the company risks prosecution, loss of reputation, and closure. It's serious. The consumer risks contracting a serious foodborne illness. Double serious risk. And you risk losing your job or your business. The most common pests you should be looking out for are rodents, such as mice or rats, cockroaches, flies, ants, stored product insects, such as flour beetles, biscuit or grain beetles, or various types of moths that feed on flour, confectionery, dried fruit or nuts, and finally, birds and other vertebrates. Regularly inspect food areas and ask your staff to do the same. They should notify you immediately if they notice any signs of pests in a food area, such as animal droppings, live or dead insects, small beetles, moths, larvae, or silken webbing, evidence of nesting, damaged packaging, holes or webbing, grease marks and tracks on food preparation surfaces or food products. Got it? Let's move on.